welcome. You're with me here in Gangtok, the capital of Sikkim. Well, it's not often that you see one of India's top corporate leaders hang around at MG Road. We are at MG Road, very famous if you've ever come to Sikkim. And with me right now is Mr. Aditya Puri, MD of HDFC Bank, one of the longest serving heads of any corporate institution in India. Thank you so much for joining me here in MG Mark.
Pleasure.
It's interesting because we don't get too many corporate leaders visiting Gangtok, Sikkim, or even the Northeast.
Right.
But Mr. Puri, that now is changing, and you are saying the time of Northeast has come.
Yes.
And I'm very inquisitive to know, by the time of Northeast has come, what do you mean?
See, what I see, Karma, is that when you're going around, you see the amount of infrastructure and road connectivity that is coming. You see the electrical projects that are there. You see the telecommunication networks that have been set up. When you put this together, what it does is it removes all the isolation from the interiors. Now, this suits us perfectly because we have wanted to offer our products to people through any access that is most convenient to them. So whether it's the phone or the branch. So what we want is somebody even sitting in semi-urban or rural Sikkim, if he's carrying our phone, and I'm sorry I'm marketing this a bit to myself, but that's why I'm here. If he's carrying our phone, now we are in MG Road. Why we are here is what I want, and this to be replicated. If he's carrying our phone, he can obviously get a loan, etc. on the phone. But if he comes in from far, he doesn't need to carry that much cash. It's my desire to have all these shops have a merchant POS from me, which will allow them to accept payment either by a QR code or UPI or a debit card or a credit card. So it makes it easy. These guys can expand their business. The guys coming in is convenient for them. We are also extending our branches. We're doubling our branches. So between the branch, I can go a 10-kilometer radius and offer all my products. And our products are suited to what is happening here. So we see agri as a growth area. We see tourist as a major growth area. We see infrastructure coming up as a growth area. And we see a lot of the produce that is there, agriculture produce, should find a wider market.
Okay. And you say this because, one, of course, the roads are being built.
Right.
Two, of course, you say, because of the internet reach and the kind of technologies that have come in.
Yes.
And, of course, the penetration of the mobile phone. Everybody has a smartphone,
Absolutely.
says a man who doesn't carry a mobile phone.
Because I'm a poor fellow. See, let me tell you, I know what technology can do for me.
Okay.
So I know what is the end product I want to answer. I treat technology as an enabler. So if you want a car that rides smoothly, you buy a Rolls. You want a bank that runs smoothly, you come to HDFC Bank. So basically it makes it easier that I look at all products before they're launched. It doesn't have to be on my own mobile phone.
Okay.
But the mobile phone in today's world gives me a lot of privacy and peace. You would agree with that?
You're lucky. You're lucky. I guess a lot of people would like that. You know, I've been reading the book on Elon Musk, and I'm enjoying it very, much. And I picked up bits and pieces of what he's been talking about in the bits and pieces of what you've been talking about. You've been talking about technology, you want to break that. Elon Musk thought about digital payment systems way ahead of anybody did, I guess, at that point. There were other pioneers also, but he's been at the forefront of it. Now, you talk about Amazon, you talk about Google, you talk about all the global companies who've led through this and who are showing us the way. What about our own companies, Indian companies?
Our Indian companies, some of them are coming up. For instance, we are very proud that our systems and our digital preparedness is among the top 5 in the world. Now, there are companies that are moving along this line. See, digital people define very loosely. Digital can be used to reduce your costs. Like if I have a 10-second loan, I don't have to process sequentially. I can process parallelly. So the same work can go on. There's better communication. So whether it is manufacturing, whether it's hotel, whether it's the health industry, whether it's retail, it's all coming. Now take Jio, for example. Now Jio, when it all comes together, will give Amazon a run for their money. He's set up telecom, he's set up physical retail, he's got virtual retail, he's got logistics, He's got content. He's got content both educational as well as. So take somebody like that. Similarly, I feel I can give any financial institution a run for the money in the long run, even Amazon. Because when I have all this, plus I have the big retailers and I have them on the marketplace, I intend to have them connected with the customer, with my trust.
So I see a bit of a paradox, you know, when a company like Myntra, who's so much present on the internet, has also now shops, retail presence.
Yes.
That's kind of a paradox for me.
Yes and no. I'll tell you why it's not a paradox. Because one, it takes time for things to change. And if everybody can do everything on the net, he's going to go mad here. You need to walk. Are you not enjoying this walk?
We are.
Right? Would you, and if you, yes, you're going to shop on the net, but you're going to come here also. If you go back to the old times, when there was this argument between brick and click and they all used to ask me, now you'll have no branches. There's space for both because, you know, this is an enabler. Ultimately, the human will prevail. And we need to listen to some good music. We need to be out in the fresh air.
Yeah.
We need to touch and feel certain things.
Yeah.
So both will be there.
Okay. You talked about
And delivery
music.
is also easy.
You talked about music on MG Road. If you come to Sikkim, we have Bose speakers and nobody's stolen it for such a long time. We'll take you.
That's phenomenal. Yeah.
Also, what is the future of banking? Banking has gone paperless now.
Yes.
Yeah. I don't need slips. I don't need to prove. I for one have started believing. I don't take slips because everything comes on the thing. Do you see the future of banking to grow to a stage that your branch that we left a short while ago will be no more in the future? Is that even possible?
At least in the foreseeable future, I see no, but I see the role of the branch changing.
Okay.
The branch will become more a sales and service outlet. What happens is, and that's why, you know, that's a very good question. Why am I going and opening branches in the interior? I can sell him everything technological, but if he doesn't see my branch nearby where he thinks he can go, there's a problem. He won't shift his account. So what happens is for servicing, I find more and more servicing will go to technology. But for customer acquisition and certain amount of customer services, a touch point will be required. The same as what the retailers are finding.
Yeah, you need to prove that, okay, we are here
We
in
are
person.
here.
Let's also talk about Parivartan
Yes.
and your CSR.
Yeah.
You know, you have been championing the cause to bridge the gap between the rural India, Bharat as we call it, and the urban India.
Yes.
There is a huge gap. Yesterday I was meeting some of the youngsters here. Even they talked about this huge gap. Even in a small state like Sikkim,
Yes.
there is a huge gap.
Absolutely.
How do you envision doing this?
Yeah. So what we are finding is that there is tremendous amount of migration from the rural to the urban. And when they come to the urban, it's not such a good life for them. You know, they think it's a lot of money compared to what they would get back home. But by the time they pay for their accommodation and their food and the transportation, it's actually not so great.
Okay.
So we have to do two things. We are largely a consumption society today. We have to become more of a manufacturing society. And that doesn't necessarily have to mean these big factories. So when I talk about the uneducated but skilled, within the villages, there's a lot of scope to create viable business. And so when we find, as we go through our Sustainable Livelihood Initiative, initially they were skeptical. When they started making money, we asked them also to put aside money and gold. Because the marriage in India still requires the dowry, whatever we may say. We can say everything. So we tell them to do all of this. Then when he grows to a certain size and he wants to go to the next size, he's calling his nephew and his brother's son and his brother back from the urban area to help him. So when we talk about 9 million families that we've done in the country, you multiply that by 5, it becomes 45 million individuals who are now self-employed.
Okay. And part of why Mr. Puri is here is also, something that he's been doing. He's been traveling around India, I'm
Yes,
sure.
yes.
And you've been connecting with your customers and all.
Right.
You have a display here of your bank. Let's just go
in
and see what.
Yes. Namaste, sir. Thank you so much for banking with HDFC Bank. हम इनको बताने आए कि हमारी कोशिश ये है कि जो भी आदमी आए, अगर वो उसको पेमेंट करना है कॉन्टैक्टलेस से या डेबिट कार्ड से, क्रेडिट कार्ड से, वी आर होपिंग कि आपका भी फायदा होए और कस्टमर बेस भी बढ़े. तभी मैंने आपका बाहर देखा, हमारा पेज़ैप भी है Or Abhi, you put the merchant POS here or not?
Yes,
Merchant POS.
We have.
So you think this is a worthwhile initiative?
Yes.
Plus we want to offer loans.
And he's very, very cooperative.
But आपकी needs मिली ना, in the sense that
Yeah, we are satisfying our customers.
are satisfying your customer, and if any point of time you offered him that loan, if say during the season he wants to. So it is something that is, he was asking me, how are you taking digital? I said digital people are describing and making it too complicated. Digital is as simple as somebody coming with a phone and saying on the QR code payment, or paying you via a wallet.
Yeah.
That makes them as digitally savvy as possible.
Okay, I'll ask you a tricky
Ask.
question.
Ask.
Maybe tricky,
No,
may
why
not be
should it be
tricky
tricky?
also. Artificial intelligence.
Yes.
You have been talking about artificial
Yes.
intelligence. How does artificial intelligence work for him?
Okay. See, what we will do is when we gather the data, what we have to see is what type of people come. And it's not a tricky question. In fact, you should have been in my business.
Okay.
So what we want is at some point in time after we have enough dealing together, I want him to be able to offer through my medium a special pricing or a special Diwali offer to a certain category of my customers. So that's the next step that I'm going to be coming to him and saying, would you like to make an offering to my customers in terms of not only a digital payment, that okay, this is Diwali, 10% off, like what an Amazon or a Flipkart.
Yeah.
So that's his competition with them. So I will be using that. Who buys this kind of stuff? Who buys the jacket? See, now I'll be identifying people like Karma. See, I'm not that good with the clothes. I can make out your...
We could buy you some if you want.
No, I'm like this only. She buys me and it's lying in the cupboard. So that's how we will use it. That how can we bring our customers here to him and jointly increase. So this, I assure you, sir, is only the first step. इसके बाद हम marketing में भी आएंगे. First, we want them to be able to serve a much wider market.
So now, Mr. Puri, now
See, they're also asking questions.
Yeah.
Next stage.
Yeah,
But
so-
that, you see, we have done that. A lot of our merchants in the urban areas now are offering special promotions to our customers.
okay.
That completely changes his distribution reach. And also the way he can deal.
So much of this, Mr. Puri, is now what we went to. I could say is more of an organized retail, part of a national chain and all.
Right.
What about very small shops, like really small shops? Now it's an issue because I tell you, if I pay by phone,
Right.
it's very convenient. Small change, you don't have to fight for small change. It's very convenient. I'm moving out in a taxi, the traffic cop is whistling behind.
But we will come to the small shop.
I
we
can
have started here.
pay
We
the-
will come down to the small shop because with technology, now I can give it to him at a cost that he wants.
yeah, but the reluctance
Oh,
of say a small taxi driver whom I
No,
can just
that-
touch my phone and pay,
No, it's good.
of that pawn shop, the small pawn shop that there is, the reluctance.
I want to send you my video. I'll tell you depending upon, and it will come here also. We have gone all the way to a doodwala.
Okay.
A doodwala means not the fellow who sells milk. I don't know whether you have it here in a shop where he shortens the milk and then gives you hot milk with
Okay.
that. So even he is taking now. So it will come. But step one, if I do too much and this I don't achieve this, but the good thing about technology is if you screw up, it's clear to everybody.
Okay, so the question is not just relating to you as the head of FC Bank.
Whoever
As
doesn't
you,
change.
one of the leaders of corporate India, how do you bring about this change, telling people that look here, digital payments are cool. Digital payments make life simple, easy, fast for you.
You'll be surprised. All my people told me the same thing when I wanted to create in our one of our efforts is 150,000 villages. Over the next 18 months, we'll have all our products offered on the phone. We have already done 25,000.
Okay.
So when I was going there, they said, "Saab, kahan ja rahe ho? Unko samajh nahi aayega." I said, "No. Please understand, who does the logistic problem hit the most? It is this guy. If I give him a solution, he will come." Now our agri people in the interior villages are not only getting their weather reports, they get reports on yield, they are able to pay their vendors, they are able to pay the merchant.
Okay. Okay.
So this is changing very rapidly.
So the idea is to gain their faith by not just doing business with them, but business plus, giving him that extra from
So
where.
that he sticks with me.
Yeah.
See, this is also has the ulterior motive to it. The moment I stick him to me like that, if tomorrow even a platform company like Amazon or somebody comes up with a product, he says, what are you offering more? Here is somebody I trust, he's offering me the same thing and he's likely to stick. So this now, what the new game is not just customer service, it's customer service and as you rightly use the word, customer engagement. I have to be able to, whether it's the local guys, now we are offering robotic advisory. Anybody can log on to our software and get advice how its portfolio should be, free of cost. Then if he wants, he can talk to us. Then we will tell them and deliver either free of cost or we'll add something.
That's the role of artificial intelligence in the future. Now to some macro questions.
Sure.
As far as India growth story is concerned, you've been very bullish.
Yes.
We've got elections coming.
Right.
I'm not going to ask you a political question, but where do you see the overall India growth story going?
See, I have never minced my words on the subject. India at around 7% is among the fastest growing economies in the world. We have a lot of people talking about we need to do infrastructure, we need major reforms, etc. Yes, we need them, but too much emphasis is put on that, forgetting that we are growing at 7%. Talk about infrastructure, you would agree that the roads and infrastructure that has now been put in will give much better connectivity to the country. Talk about digitization. We are probably one of the most digitized larger countries, almost matching up with China.
And we are lucky to have started a little late also.
Exactly, because then as Nandan and me, we were at a seminar together and we said, we won't leapfrog on technology, we will pole vault. So then that is a good, and that's not my words, those are his. So with that, then you take what has happened with the bankruptcy laws. We are moving and with what RBI has brought in, bringing the discipline, I said it in my press conference also, that I make no bones about the fact that I will give money to a person who is capable of returning it to me. So you take the bankruptcy laws, you take the direct distribution that is happening. I'm not giving any spiel for anybody, I'm just saying this is what is happening. Do we need to create more manufacturing? Yes. Better agriculture? Yes. And I think that is only going to be in addition to what we are doing at 7%. So I'm a proud Indian who is bullish on India.
So these are just blimps right now. We've seen kind of a fall in consumption. There is a rural income stress right now. The data, of the car sales and all have not also come in quite cool right now.
This is a temporary blip. I believe this is a temporary blip. I've been talking to people all over the world. And all of them, surprisingly, are more convinced about the future of India than some of the people I talk to in India. I'm convinced these blips will always come. You see, if you take Mr. Bhargav of Maruti, he had said, cars have had a great time for the last 4 years. History tells you that some amount of slowdown follows. But let not these small things, actually, I made the statement, people liked it. I said, let not the noise of a very vibrant democracy confuse you with the vibrancy of India's future.
Now to some of the questions which I'd like you to talk about, about your experience. You've been on this ride and around India, you've traveled, you've been meeting people, talking to them and all. Which place has impacted you the most? What person has impacted you the most? And what have you learned from there?
I'll tell you what has impacted me the most. As we go into semi-urban and rural India, one, there is prosperity coming there. Two, the guy when you talk there is talking a different language. He understands a lot more. He's been exposed a lot more. His aspirations are a lot more. So when you talk to, and I met this, when I was going to the Jyotirling, halfway through there's a dhaba. And so I met this guy, and his grandson was the one talking. That fellow is a chartered accountant, plus an IIM Ahmedabad, IIM from Bangalore. And he's running that dhaba. So I presume he makes more money in that dhaba than working for me. Otherwise, he's smart enough not to be there. So I asked him who runs it. He says, my Dadaji. So I said, how old is your Dadaji? He says, 75. So I said, I want to meet him. And I go in there and there's this old man with an apron and he's making the samosas himself. He must be earning at least 4 crores a year. That is the change in India that impresses me.
That's fantastic.
And I think people should go down to the ground and see it. HDFC Bank is betting major. 60% of India lives there and we are betting major on a growth there.
one final question as far as your leadership style is concerned. You've been at the helm for a long, long time. I don't know whether you share the secret. What is it about leadership that you believe in? How do you work with people? What is your style?
See, at least my style is I want a work-life balance. I come at 9 o'clock, 8:30, 9 o'clock. I leave at 5:30. I go home to lunch. It's not my job to do somebody else's job. I empower people jointly as a team. I'm the first among equals. We sit together, we define our vision, and they execute it. So if I try and do everybody's job, I'll be sitting 9 to 9 and I still won't be effective. So most of my management is on exception. I believe in people, I empower them, I walk the talk that I'm doing, and I'm first among equals, and I hopefully still maintain my humility.
Do you shout at people?
Oh, I shout at people. You don't do your work, you're going to get a shout. There's no two ways about it. I'm not that good.
Right. Mr. Puri, thank you so much.
Pleasure.
I hope you're enjoying your
enjoying
stay in
it
Sikkim.
thoroughly.
And thank you so much for coming to Sikkim.
Pleasure. Thank you.